Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roy Wood Transits. I'll do the sales walk around video for you for the 19 plate grey Bison tipper behind me. So for sale here at Roy Wood Transits, 2019 on a 19 plate Ford Transit tipper. It's a 2 litre 170, 6,300 kilo train mass. So 170. Viz pack, heated screen, front fog lights, air con, heated seats. Don't find very many with this spec now. Dual rear wheel drive. Covered just the 54,670 miles for you. We sold it new. We've taken it back in part exchange, so we've done the service in through its life as well. Vehicle will be prepped here, and because it's obviously 6 years old now, we'll change the wet belt as well for you prior to collection. So tow bar, ball and pin. Grey Bison, so steel floor, alley side tailboards, toolbox bolted to the front. One delete for the tipper. Dual passenger seat, seat bases lift up, so you've got storage underneath. Automatic headlights, electric folding mirrors. 54, that just flicked off, 54,670 before it went. Stereo with Bluetooth, aircon, heated seats. The outside passenger seat is also heated for you. So good looking tipper in grey, good spec. Big engine as well. If you'd like any more details or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.